The frozen secrets of Antarctica. People often call Antarctica the last great mystery on Earth. It is the coldest place on our planet. The temperature can fall below -60 degrees Celsius. Strong winds never seem to stop. Thick ice covers almost the entire continent. Most people will never visit Antarctica, but that has not stopped people from asking questions. What is hiding under all that ice? Scientists know that Antarctica is not just a frozen desert. Beneath the ice, there are mountains, rivers, and even hundreds of hidden lakes. Some of these lakes have been covered by ice for millions of years. Imagine a lake that no human has ever seen with their own eyes. What could be living there? Some scientists believe tiny life forms may have survived in complete darkness for thousands of years. These organisms do not need sunlight. They have learned to live in one of the harshest environments on Earth. That sounds almost impossible. But nature is full of surprises. Another mystery comes from satellite images. Sometimes researchers notice strange shapes on the ice. From high above, these shapes look like circles, lines, or giant cracks. Some people believe they are signs of something unusual. Others say there is a simple explanation. Ice is always moving. Wind is always blowing. Nature can create amazing patterns without any human help. Still, the mystery continues. There are also stories about sounds coming from deep under the ice. Some explorers have reported hearing strange noises during quiet nights. The sounds are low, long, and sometimes almost musical. Does Antarctica have hidden caves? Are the glaciers moving? Or is it simply the sound of giant pieces of ice slowly breaking apart? Scientists say moving ice can make many unusual sounds, but hearing them in complete silence can feel frightening. One of the biggest mysteries is what Antarctica looked like millions of years ago. Long before it became frozen, Antarctica was very different. It had forests. It had rivers. Dinosaurs once walked across this land. It's hard to imagine. Today, everything is white. But deep below the ice, the past is still waiting. Every year, scientists drill through the ice to collect samples. These frozen layers are like history books. Each layer tells a story about Earth's climate. By studying the ice, researchers can understand what happened thousands of years ago. The answers may help us protect our future. Some people enjoy creating wild stories about secret cities, hidden creatures, or ancient civilizations beneath Antarctica. These ideas are exciting, but there is no scientific evidence to support them. The real mysteries are already fascinating. Hidden lakes, ancient fossils, undiscovered mountains, and a frozen world that humans are only beginning to understand. Perhaps the greatest mystery is this: how much do we still not know? Every new expedition discovers something surprising. Every year, new questions appear. Antarctica reminds us that even in the modern world, there are still places filled with wonder. Maybe one day, scientists will uncover another amazing secret beneath the ice. Until then, Antarctica remains one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Before you go, remember this. The more English stories you listen to, the more naturally your English will improve. Every story helps you build your vocabulary, pronunciation, listening skills, and confidence. If you enjoyed today's story about the mysteries of Antarctica, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English learning story. Here on English with Abubakr, you'll discover fascinating mysteries, true stories, history, science, and everyday conversations, all designed to help you improve your English while enjoying the journey. Thank you so much for listening. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next story. Until then, take care and keep speaking English every day. Goodbye.